it's not just that value investing makes sense, but it works over time. And the only reason why there are so few value investors is, as we were talking about before, the pain that every now and then is associated with being a value investor.
You know, Michel David-Vey, the wonderful senior partner of Lazard Frères. I knew him when he was in New York. I'm not sure if he's still here now. But once I heard him say with a Gallic shrug, he said, sometimes you have a bad decade. I so love that. There's the wisdom in that, and the acceptance of the slings and arrows in the marketplace. I think a bad decade is a long time to wait for most mutual fund managers, but certainly one can have a very bumpy 3 and 5 years. It takes, in your view, it takes 5 years for some stories to work out.
No, it can take more.
Yeah. Okay, I know that you are not actively investing professionally now, but you certainly have your mind on the market, and you certainly are paying deep attention to it. Tell me about the opportunities that you see as a value investor would see them. Are things cheap enough to interest you?
Let me put it this way. I've been in the investment business, I'm going to show my age, 55 years, since September 1, 1962, when I had just graduated from French business school, and I joined a French bank to do security analysis. And in 55 years, I saw only one case where I thought, I might look at 75 stocks, I will not buy any.
What year was that?
Only one case. It was 1989 in Tokyo, late 1989 in Tokyo. Otherwise, either after several years of a bull market, there are relatively few opportunities, and conversely, after several years of a bear market, there are more opportunities. But with the exception of Tokyo in late 89, there are always, to my mind, there were always opportunities.